Hey craft cocktail and tropical drink fans, we have a great show today. It's one of the most iconic and popular drinks in the world, the Pina Colada, but with an interesting twist. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notify bell down below, and you'll get notified when we upload new shows, and you'll be the first to know. We'll be right back. Hey, welcome back. Did you hit that subscribe button while we were away? Well, you know what? We're going to talk about the Pina Colada today. It's one of the most popular drinks ever, but it has kind of an interesting past. There's some that have credited the pirate Cofresi, if I'm pronouncing that right, and I'm probably not, back in the 1800s as a non-alcoholic drink of strained coconut and pineapple. And apparently he loved this up until his death in 1825. But the Pina Colada that we know today was invented at the Hotel Caribe in San Juan, Puerto Rico by bartender Ramón Monchito Marrero Perez. That's actually kind of fun to say. And it also started off as a non-alcoholic drink, but later on added rum. This drink is so popular, it actually became the national drink of Puerto Rico in 1978. But here's the one problem with Puerto Rico's favorite drink. It is loaded with a ton of sugar. Okay, people like me who are watching our sugar intake, this is just completely out of control. And it would actually hurt me if I had too many of these. Well, that's true of anything. But let's just break this down a little bit. In a traditional Pina Colada, just the cherry has 29 grams of sugar. The pineapple juice has 22 grams of sugar, and the cream de coconut has a whopping 40 grams of sugar in it. That's almost 100 grams of sugar. I am not medically trained, but I know that can't really be that great for you. Okay, I have to watch my sugar intake, and I'm sure many of you and your friends probably are in the same boat, and this delicious drink would be completely out of balance. Well, I got some great news today. Today, I'm going to show you a cocktail that I came up with that is almost identical to the original, with all the flavor, all the punch that the rum gives you, and the best of all, zip, nada sugar. Okay, but I want you to do your own research, okay, because again, I'm not a medically trained person by any stretch of the imagination, but I know what I have to watch, and through the research I've done, I'm going to show you how to mimic this delicious drink with zero sugar. Okay, so let's get to it. The first ingredient we're going to start with is 2 ounces of bacardi silver or white rum. Okay, and we're going to add 2 ounces into the mix. And if you ever get a chance to go to San Juan, I really encourage you to take the distillery tour at the Bacardi distillery, or as they say, Bacardi, House of Bacardi. They're 100% sustainable. They actually are great neighbors. They actually help out with electricity in the neighborhoods around them through their huge wind turbines. Okay, so now let's hop in. The second ingredient we're going to use is Califia Farms toasted coconut milk. Has 0 sugar in it, and it has just a little bit of coconut in, just so you can continue with that great tropical taste that you've come to know and love in the Pina Colada. Throw that right in the mix. Now here's the interesting twist, okay? We know how much sugar the creme de coco and the pineapple has, but I'm giving you a great alternative. Today we're going to show you Torani sugar-free syrups, okay? We start off with 4 squirts of the pineapple, the sugar-free pineapple, 2, 3, 4 syrup, and 4 shots of the Torani sugar-free coconut syrup. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, that gets you all the flavor that you want. All right? So, what's a pina colada unless it's like a frozen margarita, frozen drink? Well, we're going to do exactly that. You can put it into a chocolate grande glass, they're actually kind of expensive, or you can put it in a hurricane glass like this. I have links to all of these down below, so you don't have to go hunt around. Just check out the links down below, and we'll get you hooked up, okay? We'll get it shipped right to your door from Amazon. The next thing you need, of course, is ice. And that's where this handy dandy little machine comes in. We're going to load this up, our little ice crusher here, with just regular ice cubes, and any kind of machine that will do like snow cones, or the Margaritaville concoction maker does a fantastic job, but you want that ice really, really fine, just like you would get in a normal pina colada. Sometimes the ice maker on your refrigerator doesn't quite make it fine enough, it's kind of chunky. That's where machines like this come in, and they're really handy. So we'll put that right on top. Take our little pitcher here, give that a quick little stir to mix that up quite a bit. It'll get stirred in just a moment, but we just want to give it a quick little stir. Pour that right in there. See, it's already starting to look like a pina colada already. Stick that in, give that a little twist, and turn that bad boy on. I would try to talk over it, but it's really hard. So we'll just give that a minute and let that ice kind of fall down into place. And while that's running, check out our other cocktail videos. We have great classic cocktails, tikidrinks, recipes. We have free karaoke party videos and great event planning videos. Well, all right here on this channel. And that's just about do it. Pour that, get that out of there. See, it's all nice and finely chopped right in there. We'll pour that right into that hurricane glass. Pour that all the way up. Okay. And you can adjust the recipe just a little bit, you know, so if you make it for a double or a triple, you know, to share with your family and friends. We're going to add in our reusable straw, garnish that with a little parasol. And if you want, you can actually get a squirt of the Tirani sugar-free cherry syrup or dark cherry syrup. You know, that adds that little splash of red on top to kind of mimic that cherry. But you know what? It's a delicious and refreshing drink just on its own. Well, I tell you what, that's all there is for this today. I'm going to go enjoy this on my own. But I'm really glad that you took the time to watch this. I really appreciate you as viewers. Would love to have you as subscribers. Make sure that, again, you hit that subscribe, notify, and I'd take it as a personal favor if you shared this out to anybody that has to watch their sugar like I do. So that's it from Bourbon Bill at Bourbon Bill's Pirate Bar today. Thank you. Have a great day. And always remember, drinks are on the house, your house. Cheers.